Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on YouTube. Keep watching, keep enjoying. If you like, subscribe, share, discuss if you have any questions, any concerns with me.
Today we will learn the radicals infinite alternate series. We will take some examples where we have alternate series means plus and minus, 1 plus, 1 minus, 1 plus, 1 minus, those kind of series. So let's take the example. I have a question on the screen. Root 7 plus root 7 minus root 7 plus root 7 and so on. In the previous videos, I have explained to you how to solve the radicals where we can have two factors with a difference of 1. Now 7 is a prime number. We cannot have factors which have a difference of 1 because prime numbers are only divisible by itself and 1. So for solving these kind of questions, we have a different formula, and the formula says root 4a minus 3 whole upon 2. There is plus or minus 1. Now the plus or minus will depend upon the sign of the first in the series. I have a positive sign, I have a plus sign, I'm going to write plus here. So the formula is 4a minus 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. And a is, in this example, it is 7. Let's plug in the value and let's try to solve it. I'm writing here a is equal to 7. I've just copied the a and the formula from the previous slide so that you can see it clearly on the screen, and we plug it in the formula given. 4a, 4 times 7 gives me 28, so I write 28 minus 3 whole upon 2, and what did I say? We have plus 1 in this series, which gives me root 25 plus 1 upon 2. I'll split it over here and write the final answer. Radical 25 means, or under root 25 means 5. So I'm writing 5 plus 1 divided by 2. And when we simplify, my answer here is 3. So that infinite series with 7 and the alternate plus and minus, the answer is 3. Let's take another example. Now I have another question on the screen, and the series starts with minus or a subtraction sign. Formula remains the same. I'm writing the formula again, 4a minus 3, and as I said, minus and plus will depend upon the first sign of the series. So that's my formula again. A is equal to 11 in this case. Let's plug in the values. 4 times 11 is 44, minus 3 minus 1 upon 2. Let's solve it out. I'll go to the next page. 44. Let's solve this. So this will give us root 41 minus 1 upon 2. Now 41 is a prime number. We cannot simplify it further. So the final answer will be root 41 minus 1 whole upon 2. That's my answer to that series. Let's take another example. Now, I have another example on the screen, radical 13 with the alternate signs. What is my formula? My formula is root 4a minus 3. What will be the sign of plus or minus 1? It will be plus 1 whole upon 2. What is the value of a? A is equal to 13. So what we do, we just plug in the values. 13 times 4 is 52. 52 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2. When we simplify, we get root 49 plus 1 upon 2. Let's go to the next page. Now this is what we have from the previous slide. Root 49 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now we know 49 is a perfect square, so that will give me 7 plus 1 divided by 2, and my answer is 4. That's my final answer. So you see how we can solve this radical series with just one formula and get the answers quickly. Rather than using the discriminant formula, we can use the discriminant formula here to get the answer, which I will do when we will do the algebra 1. Then I'm going to explain there the discriminant, the quadratic equations, factorizations there. But for the strategic or the mental math, we just use the formula, the shortcuts, and get the answers.